Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be installing Yofer front lip. If you guys remember, about 4 months ago we installed this carbon fiber front lip right here. It's not real, it's like a Yofer style. It's not really the Yofer one. This is the real Yofer one right here. It says Yofer. I got this off High Rev Sports. If you guys want to get your own, copy link in the description. So we're going to be taking off this carbon fiber one I installed 4 months ago and replace it with this. We're probably going to keep the middle piece for now because I'm planning on taking the middle piece out of here and bringing it to get carbon fiber, like a real carbon fiber on it. So we'll see what we do with that. For now, we're just going to install this in. So let's just show y'all what's inside the box and get to the video. Alright guys, so here's the parts right here. As I said in the previous clip that I recorded yesterday, because it is the next day, as you can see, this is not on the car, it's destroyed. But I'm gonna probably take this to go get like real carbon fiber on it and keep that fake one on there for now until I do that. But I'm gonna put these side pieces on. These are obviously paint matches to the car, you can see. So obviously I took these off. Obviously I took these off and these are dirty. So I'm actually gonna back this thing up and then we're gonna wash the car before we install it. Alright guys, so what we're first gonna do, we're gonna use our adhesion promoter and apply it on the left side, put on the car, and then apply the adhesive, the Gorilla adhesive I'm gonna use. Take our Gorilla tape and we're gonna apply it onto here. Alright guys, so make sure if you guys have a second person, it'll be better. You can have them hold this, and then pretty much you're just gonna line this up, starting from the corner, and then bring it to the edge. So back here is where you're gonna have the little, trying to put it through the bumper. So you gotta make sure it lines up back here too, because that's the last one it couldn't get to line up here. So once you get it to line up, and that's where you want it, then you pretty much can start peeling off your adhesive off, and then you can just start sticking it to the body. I recommend having a heat gun to heat it up so it can make it more sticky. So we're gonna put this clip right here in the middle. There's a hole here. You can't really see it, but there's a hole here. You're just gonna put the clip through, and then you're gonna lock it in. And it should hold it there. So that'll be it for this driver's side right here. We're obviously just applying more heat. Put some adhesive here to hold this up while it cures. And we're gonna hop on the passenger side and we'll just show you that process. right, guys, that'll be it for the installation of this front lip right here. As I said, I'm gonna keep this middle piece, the fake carbon, for now, because I'm gonna take the real one to a body shop and I'm gonna have them put real carbon fiber on it and hopefully put it on there in the coming weeks or so. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. If you guys find the video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.